Welcome to the 300th video of Bravisa Templetree's stock market reviews on the eve of India's 75th Independence Day and also commemorating our 4 years of journey in YouTube, a journey that started in 2017. At this moment, we would like to thank all our viewers, subscribers and members for making this beautiful journey possible for us. This video's title is the metal story over? When the whole world is talking about a metal super cycle, here we are talking about the completion of the journey. What a coincidence. Let's look at how things are going to be in the metal space. After more than a year of uptrend that metal stocks had, now it is in the receiving end. Volatility has crept in and hence the title is the metal story over. The cycle that started with prices going up in commodities, which came due to pent-up demand, closed mines and China cleaning up their atmosphere, is now at its peak. From here, if it has to go significantly like the way it came up, there needs to be a huge demand push in the market, which at present is not there in the global world. And moreover, governments across the globe have been worried now, looking at the prices of commodities in the market, which can bring inflation and cripple their economies. So obviously governments will not let commodity prices to go up, which means it is not going to be a super cycle that most of the media keeps talking about metals, while it is a business cycle which will have a different kind of ending. Before going into stock specifics, let's look at what is the message from the sector, the metal sector in the market. This will help us plan our future, keeping the views what the sector is giving us. Here is a chart of last 10 years of metal sector performance along with the NSE 500, which is a broad market index for India. It very clearly shows that there is an underperformance in metals. So first look is that you cannot invest into metal sector for lifetime. That is, it cannot be held for long-term holding. Second message is it has big swings, wild swings, which can bring heartburns to passive investors, where they will end up selling at the bottom and buying at the top, creating more losses to their accounts. Apart from these two messages, there is one more beautiful message, which is if you are tactical, you can make tons of money in metals. What is tactical? When volatility comes, price goes through wild swings. Being tactical, we should be able to identify the bottom and top. I am not talking about intraday trades here. When you go through cycles, it gives opportunity for months. Cycles stay for more than 1 year. So, a couple of months you can play the cycles. So, by being tactical, one needs to identify the bottom, buy at the bottom and wait for the top to get formed, take exit. That way, you can make far greater returns than the index. In the last 10 years, metal sector has given 3 such beautiful opportunities of swings, which have been giving at least 2x returns compared to what the index has given in the same period. Here is a chart which shows the percentage gains made in each of the swings, which we can see is pretty large compared to the index. While you need not nail the bottom and the top in these swings, even if you are able to take the cream out of the big run that stocks would have, that will be enough to make at least 50% more returns in the metal sector against the index. That is, in the last 10 years, if Nifty has made 132%, by being tactical in the metal sector alone, you can make nearly 200%. And we should keep in mind, most of the times money will be idle, because once the trend goes against us, that is, you are buying at the bottom, selling at the top, and when it's going to a downside, you are staying out of the market. That period, money can be kept in the index or probably even in liquid funds, so that there also it will keep growing. So while this requires a little study and timing the market, one way to help us in the study is by using the ranking tables. Ranking tables will help us identify opportunities at the right time. And those stocks that are at the top of the ranking table are the best ones in the market. A stock that comes into the top on the ranking table means it is having a business or profits that the company is making is far better than all the other stocks in the market. And when a bunch of stocks in the same sector come to the top ranking, that means the sector is doing well. By using the ranking tables, we can help ourselves invest into a stock or a sector at the right time and also get out at the right time by looking at the rankings. When the rankings drop, you can take exit and also use the chart patterns to identify tops and bottoms in the market. Let's look at the opportunities that came in the metal sector in this season. The first stock to get qualified at the top rank was Jindal Steel, which came to top rank in September 20, followed by Vedanta. This EPS ranking chart shows the pattern how the stock has come up. Followed by Jindal Steel and Vedanta, by February 21, almost all the stocks in the metal sector have perched themselves up at the top of the ranking. That is where the whole sector became the top performing sector in the market, and most of the media started talking about metals and about super cycles in metals. After this, whole metal sector went into a bull run. Now, at present, where are we? This chart shows at the right edge, we can see prices or the ranks of the stocks at the top slowly giving up their top position. This shows that peak season for the sector is kind of over now. Maybe it can take some rest. In cyclical businesses, this capex information is one which helps us identify the cycle tops. So in metal sector, most of the companies are planning big expansions. The total of all the big names expansion is crossing $25 billion, and expansions can come only if balance sheets have cash. That's where business owners want to expand their profit making opportunity. This comes because of the mind thinking to have more of some good things that we experience. Like for example, say there is some new ice cream outlet near your place. You go there, have the ice cream, and you get a beautiful experience, and what your mind thinks immediately, you want to experience again and again, right? You will go there again and again, you will bring your relatives, friends there. So this happens because mind wants more of goodness. Same thing with business too. For business owners who are in the cyclical businesses, they suddenly see big profits coming from a long stagnating business. They know that this opportunity I want to capitalize, and they expand their business by adding more capacity. In cyclical businesses, when new spends come, expansion happen, money gets spent on expansion, that's where slumber starts to come into the sector. This is because when expansions get complete, new supply of material comes which floods the market and prices drop. And obviously by doing this expansion, these companies would have borrowed money, and thus interest expenses will eat up into their whatever small profits they make, and the cycle goes down to repeat again sometime later. So at present, where are we on the cycle? For now, most of the expansions are in the drawing boards, so obviously it will take a lot of time for them to help to come into structures and become supplies. So till that time, metal sector is going to have some more upside. So investors can think of having metal stocks in their portfolios for some more time, while don't jump in and buy at current prices, because most of the stocks are at the peak. They are going to correct. Maybe correction might not happen immediately, but wait for the correction, because if we buy at the right time, only then we can make decent profits on our investments. Okay, don't jump in at peaks so that it will generally end up losing money. Here is the table of buy levels for all the stocks that we have tracked in the metal sector. We have tracked 7 stocks that are the top names in the metal sector. So you can use this buy levels and wait for the stocks to come to buy levels and then take position, so that the next uptrends can give you profits. So how many swings will be there? Whenever there is a cycle that tops, it will not turn down immediately. At least 3 cycles will be there. First cycle will give fantastic returns. Second swing will give little lesser. First will give higher returns. The first swing. Second will give slightly lesser. Third can be a loss maker also. well, it can give small opportunities. So once the third cycle comes, or if you say you are investing into tracking 6 or 7 stocks, out of that 3 or 4 are failing on their new trades, that means the cycle is coming to an end. So this is one of the indications we can help ourselves to identify when the cycle gets over. So as of now, metal sector has minimum 3 more upsides, 3 more swings that can happen in the sector on the current cycle. Take a look at the price rank chart of all the metal stocks in the market. It reminds me of the nerves that run in our body, and like the lightning that gets attracted to the tallest object on the earth, all the ranks of stocks have got attracted to the top of the chart. After they have reached the peak in February, now all the ranks are slowly withering away, giving a message that peak season is over. Look for swings that will come in the future. So 2 places we are getting confirmed. Earnings rank is also showing that top is over. Similarly, price rank is also giving a message that top is kind of over. So this gives a conclusion that metal sector as a whole has made its journey to the top. Now it can have some space to spend there and then take rest. A look at the rank distribution for all the stocks in the metals index. We have color coded to identify which is the weakest and the strongest stock in the sector. A stock that is closest to the green color in all the 3 parameters, stock price, earnings and change in the last 1 year, is the best stock in the market. As of now, it is JSW Steel, Tata Steel, SAIL and Adani Enterprises. Apart from Adani, which has some kind of challenges with the management, other 3 stocks can be looked at for next opportunities, which will have higher probability of winning when we take a swing trade. Jindal Steel was the first stock in the metal sector to turn around and go bullish. It gave a buy signal in May 2020, followed by other stocks in the sector. The monthly chart of Jindal Steel, you can look here, has had a double bottom. When the second time it hit a low in March 2020 and turned up, we can see huge volume coming in the stock. That showed the next direction for the stock will be pretty good. The stock gave a trend reversal buy when the price was at 122 rupees. Subsequently, in few months, it had a rank qualification where price was at 202. After that, Jindal Steel went into an uptrend, had a peak of 501 and now is getting to a consolidation. Currently, the stock is in buy levels. One can think of buying for the next swing trade in the stock. Of the 2 trades the stock had recently in the last 1 year, the trend buy has so far accumulated 311% profits and rank buy has accumulated 148% profits. Currently, with all the big uptrend being over in the stock, it is now available for swing trades in the coming weeks or months. Another 2 to 3 trades are possible in the stock. You can use the buy levels which we gave for the stock to identify the right price and get in. Similarly, future buy levels will be published in our group regularly for all the stocks in the market. You can join the group with the contact number given in the screen to know the buy levels as the stocks keep traveling in the future. So, metal stocks though have completed their big uptrend, there is more steam left for investment opportunities, for swing trades particularly. So, being with the leaders, you can make the best use of the next uptrend that is going to happen in the market. So, leaders for today in the metal sector are JSW Steel, Tata Steel, SAIL, to some extent Jindal Steel. Thank you. Happy investing.